Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel and this is Rack Rex Art. And I'm so excited you're here today because I have something special for you all. So I just got back from like a 10-hour road trip with my amazing, great friend Jackie. It was quite the journey it was, and we met some cute little furry friends along the way. So she's here just to hang out with me and to create some art. Jackie and I have been best friends since high school, and this project is actually inspired by a silly little thing that we used to do in high school. We used to share a locker, and in our locker, we would leave this journal for each other to like pass between class. Basically just like a fancy way to pass notes in a book, in a cute little diary. So I thought it would be really fun if we brought back this idea of a shared book, and we created some sort of sketchbook with some sort of theme that we could mail back and forth to each other until it's all done. I'm so excited to work on this with my good friend. So let me grab Jackie, grab Django, and find an inspiring place to go start this project. Yeah.
All right, we have made it to our beautiful inspiration point and we are ready to start working on our shared sketchbook. But to make it more of like a cohesive art piece, we have decided on the theme of Spellbook, surprise. And we're gonna lean into kind of like a spooky and magical theme for all the artwork we're gonna put in here. Here's Jackie to tell you a little bit more about that theme, that style, that pizzazz.
To keep the spellbook consistent throughout the entirety of the book, we're both gonna use only black and white with the addition of one color per person. We're ready to make some art.
My starting point for the shared spellbook is done. Obviously, this wasn't the most complex, amazing project I've ever done, but that wasn't the point. The point was to do something cool and shared and continuous with my friend. The point is friendship, right? And sometimes it's nice to just do kind of a low pressure, fun, easy project. Don't you think? I think so. I'm pretty happy with the horse drawing. It's kind of got like a tarot card vibe. That's what I was going for. And for the back cover of the book, I actually used a real spell. The actual instructions for the spell read, inscribe this stave on lignin and color it with blood from the nail sinus of the thumb of your left hand and the little toe of your right foot. Wear it in the middle of your chest and you will never be murdered by your enemy. Ooh, isn't it spooky that this candle just went out as I was reading this? Okay, now all there is left is to mail this off to Jackie. Oh my gosh, will this fit in this envelope? Yes, perfectly. So she can finish sketching her cover and get started with her designs to fill the book with. Thank you so much for watching this silly little video. I hope it was kind of fun and spooky and enjoyable and you feel inspired to make some projects with your friends. And as always, a huge thank you to my best internet friends, my patrons. Appreciate you all and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Be cute, act natural.
Are you impressed?
I'm watching you. Why are you turning your car back on? Oh, now it's off again. Silly.
I can't get his fucking key out of the ignition. I don't know what to do. Don't kill me.
Hello. Hello. Oh, my nose. Oh, your nose. I was filming that entire thing.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Tell us what's going on, Raquel.
Pink fall foliage is going on outside of this car.
Tell, give an intro.
No, we're talking about leaves. This is why you're bad at YouTube. This is like